Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, How to Heroes. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Of course, if you do like this video, let me know by giving a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. With that being said, let's get into this. What we're going to do is jump on the internet and just simply type in Microsoft Teams. And then click the first link. Click on Download Desktop, and this will open up a new window, and you see in the window it will say Download App for Desktop, which is for Windows. But if you scroll down, it gives you two options, one for your Mac, one for your mobile. We're going to select on Download for Mac. Just click on it, Download New Teams. This is going to open up a new window when it starts downloading that Teams installation file. It's a small file, should only take a few seconds to download onto your computer. Once it's done downloading, you can select an open file from here. Or if you forgot where it's saved, go into your taskbar down the bottom and go into your Downloads folder, and you see Teams_OSX, PKG, and simply open up this. This is going to open the Microsoft Teams installer, and it's a couple of steps from here to install Microsoft Teams on your Mac. We're simply going to select on Next or Continue. It's going to ask us to select the installation type. I would recommend selecting both Teams as well as a Teams audio driver. On my computer, I've already got the audio driver already installed, so I'm going to leave this unticked. But if you're installing this for the first time, I would leave both options here ticked. Next, I'd hit Continue. Then it's going to let you choose where you want to save it, the installation location. You can change the location if you want, but I would recommend leaving it to the default on your hard drive. But if you wanted to, you could choose to change the installation location and then simply hit Install. It's going to ask you to sign into your computer. It's going to ask for access to your Downloads folder. Now you're just going to let it install. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Then you're going to see this option that says, Installation was successful, and Microsoft Teams is going to open up. From here, if you've already installed Teams on your computer before, it may already know a Microsoft account you want to sign in with. If you haven't installed it before, you can select down the bottom on Use Another Account or Sign Up. Simply either log in with an existing account, or you can sign up for the first time. I'm going to select on one of my existing accounts, and then Microsoft Teams is going to load. There you have it. It is that easy to install Microsoft Teams on your Mac. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving a thumbs up. If you're on a supercharge to raise your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.